Can we check Facebook password? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can check our Facebook password. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's find out if we can find or check Facebook password. So first, let's head over to Facebook. After you're on Facebook, go to menu and let's head over to settings directly. Now from settings, if you scroll down right here, you won't find any such options related to passwords. So what we'll do is we'll go to our Meta Account Center, and from Meta Account Center, you will see account settings, and right there, you'll find password and security. So tap on that. So after you here, you can see an option that says change password, but there isn't an option that shows or lets you check your Facebook password or see it. So if you head over to saved logins, that'll just show you if your account has been saved or your account information has been saved, the login information or not. But yeah, there isn't an option for password. That means that you cannot see or check your Facebook password. So I hope this answered your question. All you can do is actually just change the password from here, but not check it. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.